on the beat.
It's just something in the way you walk, yeah. In the way you talk. If you care about money, we can get there all, yeah. And let me show you all.
Hey everyone, and thanks for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are always here supporting my videos, thank you. I really appreciate you guys. So today's video is going to be on how to maintain your cute puff before you go to sleep. So let's get started. All right, so trust me, you guys, if you're like me, you're like, man, you did this puff so good and it couldn't even last a whole 24 hours. It only lasted me 2 hours because I did it for church and now I'm coming back. So this is how you maintain your puff. That way it still looks nice, fluffy, and ready for the next day because I do have to go to work. So you're gonna wanna take a scarf, maybe a big enough scarf, a nice silk scarf. This is how big mine is. And you wanna fold it into a triangle. So it's gonna look like this. Okay, if you can see that. And then you want the point to be at the bottom, and you want to take this part right here and put it like this. Just like this. You see this? And then you're gonna simply make sure before you tie it that this is at the bottom covering your base and this is covering your edges with the points. You can pull the point down and then you want to tie it nicely to secure it and then tie it in the back. Pull it down a little bit more. And that is how you tie your hair down before you go to sleep. I will be back in the morning to show you guys how it turned out when I wake up and how to style your puff in the morning. So I will see you then. Good morning, you guys. So it is the next day and I'm about to leave for work. So you're gonna want to take off your scarf now. And when you take it off, your puff is nicely formed. You don't want to do anything to it because the scarf formed your puff really nicely, unless you want to pick it out to make it bigger, but it's pretty big right now, so I'm not going to even deal with it. I was going to do my edges, but my edges laid pretty flat, so I'm all done, and that is how you take care and maintain your puff when going to sleep. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. And if you have any comments, don't forget to put them down below. That way I can answer them for you or do any videos you guys would like. All right, so thanks again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Money, we can get there all, yeah. And let me show you all.